Hello, this is Lifect, and welcome back to another video. It's episode 3 of our monthly productivity series, and today we'll talk about something that can help you boost your productivity, AI tools. That's right, with the help of artificial intelligence, you can boost your productivity and get more done in less time. We'll include links in the description below so you can easily find the tools discussed after watching the video. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore some of the best AI tools out there. So, the first tool we'll go over is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most recent version of OpenAI's GPT language model, which was released in 2020 as an improved version of the previous GPT models. And OpenAI has been a driving force in this space in recent months. So, how does it work? So, you go to chat.openai.com and create an account for free. And now, you have access to this insanely powerful AI chatbot, to whom you can ask pretty much anything. Then, depending on whether you have a free or paid plan, you can choose between default, legacy, or even GPT-4. You can instruct this tool to do almost anything for you, such as generate a list of useful AI productivity tools, summarize a book, or explain some complicated code in layman's terms. You can also ask it to conduct research. To give you an example, at Lifect, we use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube videos. This mainly involves deciding what kind of entertaining content to make for you guys who never want to miss an opportunity to develop. To get some more specific topics related to these ideas, we can even ask ChatGPT to elaborate on a point that we believe would be particularly interesting to make a video about. One thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT has limitations, such as the fact that its own knowledge library only goes up to 2021. So, while the responses may be accurate, keep in mind that they're still quite dated and may become less relevant as time goes on. Of course, another limitation of the language model is that it, in essence, predicts the next word based on the previous word. As a result, it will frequently make logical leaps or say things that are simply not true. So, when using this tool, it's important to broaden your research parameters and try different websites that might be able to fill in the gaps that ChatGPT sometimes leaves in its responses. Now, as previously stated, signing up for this tool is completely free, but due to the large number of users who use it on a daily basis, it can frequently reach capacity for non-premium holding accounts. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month and removes these restrictions, allowing you to freely ask questions to the model. The second tool we'll be looking at is a presentation tool that can help you quickly and easily create stunning presentations. It's called Beautiful AI, and it's a game changer for productivity and presentation design. Let's talk about how Beautiful AI can help you be more productive. The AI-powered design assistant in Beautiful AI is a key component that aids users in creating visually stunning presentations by suggesting layouts and design elements based on the content of the presentation. By automating many of the design decisions that would otherwise have been made manually, this feature can save users time and effort. Beautiful AI also increases productivity through its extensive library of customizable templates. These templates allow you to change the colors, fonts, and images, and they are aesthetically pleasing and simple to read. This means you can quickly and easily create a professional-looking presentation without having to spend hours fine-tuning every detail. Now, let's look at some common use cases where Beautiful AI outperforms the other apps that do the same thing. For example, if you're a business professional, Beautiful AI is a great tool for creating enticing and aesthetically pleasing presentations that can assist you in effectively conveying important information. Beautiful AI's design assistant can assist you in making data-heavy presentations more digestible, and its collaboration features allows you to work in real time with team members to get feedback and make changes. Beautiful AI is also an excellent educational tool. With the aid of Beautiful AI, teachers can create engaging and easy-to-follow lesson plans, educational materials, and classroom presentations that will aid students in understanding complex ideas and concepts. You can tailor your presentation to your target audience using Beautiful AI's customization features, which will make it easier to connect with them and engage them. Now, Beautiful AI is a paid productivity tool with its individual membership costing $12 a month. But you can get a 14-day free trial to test out the tool and see if it's to your liking. The third tool we'll discuss is a powerful project management software which can help you increase your productivity and manage your projects more efficiently. It's called ProofHub, and it completely alters how teams collaborate and manage projects. One of the ProofHub's standout features is its task management system, which allows you to create and assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort by providing you with a bird's eye view of the tasks that need to be completed and who is in charge of them. ProofHub's collaboration features are another way it boosts productivity. ProofHub enables team members to communicate and share files in real time, making it easier to collaborate and get things done. You can also create custom workflows and project templates so that you don't have to start from scratch with each new project. Now, let's look at some common use cases where ProofHub outperforms other similar apps. ProofHub, for example, is an excellent tool for managing your team and organizing your projects if you own a small business. ProofHub's simple interface and extensive feature set makes it simple to stay on top of your to-do list, and it keeps everyone on the same page. ProofHub is also a great resource for remote teams. Team members can access the platform from anywhere with an internet connection thanks to its cloud-based platform, making it easy to collaborate and stay in sync even when working from different locations. ProofHub is a powerful project management software mainly targeting teams. Its membership fee is a fair $45 a month, but you can also sign up for a 14-day free trial, and with 98% of its customers recommending it to others, it might just be worth the membership cost. Now, we'll talk about a powerful productivity tool that can help you save time and stay organized. Genie.io is a document summarization and information extraction tool powered by artificial intelligence that can accelerate and improve your learning. One of Genie.io's key features is a document summarization. You can use this feature to upload a document and Genie.io will automatically summarize it for you. When you need to read through a large number of documents quickly, this can save you a lot of time and effort. Genie.io's information extraction feature can also help you increase your productivity. You can use this feature to upload a document, and Genie.io will automatically extract important information from it. This is especially useful if you're working on a research project, because it can save you a lot of time when gathering and organizing data. Now, let's look at some common use cases where Genie.io outperforms other apps that do the same thing. If you're a researcher or a student, for example, Genie.io can be a helpful tool for managing your documents and staying organized. Genie.io's document summarization and information extraction capabilities can assist you in quickly identifying key insights and gaining a better understanding of the documents you're working with. Genie.io is also a great resource for busy professionals who need to keep up with a lot of information. Genie.io's AI-powered features can assist you in quickly sorting through documents, emails, and other types of information, making it easier to stay organized and complete tasks. Finally, let's go over some of Genie.io's limitations. While the app is very user-friendly and intuitive in general, it may not be appropriate for more complex tasks that require a lot of customization or human analysis. But now that GPT-3, the most sophisticated language-based AI in the world, is available, it is possible to get results faster and with a 70% higher level of quality. Genie AI costs €7.99 for a basic membership and €24.99 for its pro features, but you're also able to try it out for 14 days. Are you tired of wasting time taking notes during meetings or struggling to recall important details? Fireflies.ai uses cutting-edge AI-powered voice recognition technology to automatically capture and transcribe meeting notes in real time, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. No more scrambling to jot down important points or overlooking crucial information that could make or break your next project. But that's not all. Fireflies.ai's capabilities extend beyond transcription. It has automated action items, meeting recaps, and integrations with other productivity tools like Asana, Trello, and Slack. Furthermore, You can easily search for specific keywords or meeting topics, making it simple to find exactly what you need when you need it. One of the features of Fireflies.ai that is particularly cutting edge is its ability to integrate with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. This means that no matter which platform you use for your meetings, Fireflies.ai can seamlessly capture and transcribe the conversation in real time, allowing you to focus on the discussion rather than the note-taking. Fireflies.ai also offers a meeting summary feature that provides a brief overview of the meeting's most important points, making it easy to quickly catch up on what you may have missed. With these integrations, you can easily turn action items into tasks and assign them to team members, keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. The advantages of Fireflies.ai are self-evident. It can help you save time, focus better, and never miss important information during meetings. What about the constraints? Well, it's important to note that Fireflies.ai is an AI-powered tool, so there may be some limitations to its accuracy, as some words may not have been picked up correctly even after being added to a dictionary. And this is especially true in noisy or complex environments. Fireflies.ai's technology and algorithms are updated frequently though, to ensure that the transcription it offers is as accurate as possible. So if you're looking for a tool to boost your productivity and help you stay on top of your game, check it out. It's an amazing tool that can help you save time, help you focus, and ensure that you never miss an important detail again. Fireflies AI is completely free, with 800 minutes of storage available to you, but if you need a little more than that, you can opt for the Pro at $10 a month, or $19 a month for business options. And there you have it, 5 of the most powerful artificial intelligence tools available to help you increase your productivity and get more done in less time. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.